Meron akong meeting ngayon with a potential client that if someone let go of me, I still have other clients. Basically, my work is all about admin task, admin social media. But I'm not a social media manager. Client ko for almost 2 years and nag-decide sila na i-let go na nila ako. Hey guys! Welcome to a week in my life as a virtual assistant. So, today is Monday, April 21, 6:37 p.m. and meron akong work. And later, meron kaming meeting. Ipapakita ko yung short clips ng meeting namin. And yeah, work night ngayon. So, samahan niyo ako. Wait, Dili ko lang siya sa TikTok.
I've learned that there's an art to changing, that I'm the potter and the clay.
Kain tayo!
I'm the painter, the marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush. Feel the rush. You're painting Frida Kahlo, leave the muses like follow all the colors layered on color.
Pag Monday, medyo chill lang yung mga task ko. Pero pag Tuesday to Friday, yun yung mga pagudan. Although may full-time job ako from Monday to Friday, sinasabi ko nga sa nakaraang vlog ko, madali lang yung work na yun. Kahit full-time siya, medyo chill lang. Hi! So, it's 9:53 and meron akong meeting ngayon with a potential client. So, nagkasundo na kami sa rate and everything. Sabi niya gusto niya lang ako ma-meet once and then the rest, Slack or through email na lang. So, hindi pa rin ako sure if client ko na ba talaga siya. Pero let's see. Samahan niyo ako.
So I guess before we get started, do you have any questions for me?
Actually, I read the email again to make sure. I don't have any question because you said that you're going to provide a training. That's my main concern.
Yes, no, I'll train you on everything you need to know. But I do like that you already have a lot of experience with managing content and Canva.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Mhm.
And you have a great eye for design.
Thank you. That if someone let go of me, I still have other clients. Basically, my work is all about admin task, administrative task, and social media. But I'm not a social media manager.
Right, of course not. Of course not. But it seems like you are very knowledgeable,
Thank you.
which is wonderful. That's a big plus, right?
Yeah.
Well, I love hearing that. Okay, perfect. You do have, I know you have a lot of clients. You do have about 5 hours to devote.
For you?
Work with
Yeah,
you. Is that okay?
yes.
Room in your schedule list here.
Okay, let me know what are those tasks.
I was thinking, have you done any Pinterest pins? or
Yeah, yes. I have a client before where I created some pins for her blog. And yeah, so it's not
Yeah.
bad. I just work on Canva to create pins for her. I use ClickUp, Kajabi, what else? HubSpot, if you're familiar with that. What else? I can think of any tools because I use a lot. I use a lot. This is DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
Yeah, that's awesome. That is awesome. I heard really good things about that camera.
Hi!
Bye, Abby.
Thank you so much! So, tapos na yung meeting namin. Natapos siya ng 10:16. So, 60 minutes kami nag-meeting. Yun yung first meeting namin. So, ganun talaga dito guys. If may plano kayo na maging virtual assistant and direct client yung ini-aim nyo, ganun lang kaiksi yung mga meeting. 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So, ganun lang siya. And yeah, client ko na pala talaga siya. So, ang cute lang. Alam niya na nagwa-vlog ako. Pinaalam ko sa kanya na kung pwedeng kumuha ng short clips. Halimbawa, nagbabay siya para sa vlog ko. And she's very much open to it. And very, very supportive. Yun lang. Another client. Ano lang to? Parang 5 hours per week. And yun yung goal ko actually sa iba't ibang client ko. Gusto ko ng maraming client. And konti yung oras ko sa kanila with medyo higher rate. Kasi sabi ko nga sa kanya, mas gusto ko yung gano'n dahil hindi naman to permanent eh. Pwede niya akong iwan. Pwede akong iwan ng iba kong client. What if isa lang yung client ko, like full 8 hours every day? Tapos iniwan ako ng client na yun. Wala na. Diba? Compared to marami kang client, konti-konti yung oras, medyo higher pay each client. Iwan ka man ng isa, at least meron ka pang mga other clients. So, yun yung lagi kong ginagawa. Nag-start pa lang ako mag-VA. Up until now, yun pa rin yung gusto ko. Ayun lang. See you tomorrow. So hey guys, it's day 2 Tuesday, 12:42 p.m. And maga ako nag-start ngayon kumpara sa usual routine ko kasi dami kong gagawin. Kahapon meron akong 2 bagong client. Super part-time lang naman yun, like 5 hours per week. Silang 2. So, since medyo madami-dami na akong client, kailangan kong ilista dito sa Notion. Gumagamit ako ng Notion app, by the way, to list down all of my tasks. And syempre yung names ng client ko. Medyo madami-dami sila. Pero short time lang naman each client. So, sinusulat ko para hindi ako malito. So, here's my baby nga pala. Pangalan niya ay Cece. Cute niya, no? So, siya ay magpo 4 years old na. So, back to work. Hey guys! It's Thursday and kahapon hindi ako nakapag-vlog dahil tinamad lang ako. So, gusto ko lang mag-work and then maglaro. So, yun. For this day, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga bago sa setup ko. So, meron akong bagong keyboard. And then, meron akong ganito. 12 ang tawag. And this one. Nakabaliktad lang yan kasi medyo pangit pa yung mouse. So, gusto ko siguro medyo malaki. So, yan. Yan yung bago sa setup ko. And, regalo ko sa akin ni Aristide. And sana mag-last yung itsura ko ngayon dahil later, meron akong meeting. 3 a.m. Anong oras na? It's 4:21 p.m. And medyo matagal pa yung paghihintay ko. So, bago yun, mag-work na lang muna ako. Grabe, ang ganda ng tunog ng keyboard mo. So, nakita ko lang yan sa TikTok. And then, sabi ko kay Steo, bilhin niya ako nun. Worth it mag-type talaga. Sarap mag-type dito. So, it's 2:56 a.m. And in 4 minutes, meron kaming meeting ng potential client. Antok na ako. Pero ito lang kasi yung available schedule dun sa Calendly ng client. And syempre, kinuha ko na kasi gusto niya ako mag-meet this week. But yeah, I can hear you. I'm good.
What time is it there?
It's 2:59 a.m.
12:59?
2:59.
2:59?
Yeah.
All right, so let's talk
Okay.
quick because it's late. So the work is pretty simple. I think I shared with you what that is, right? Did I?
Yeah, but you're going to create a video about that, right?
Correct. But you are familiar with that, yes?
I'm familiar with Kajabi. We use Kajabi in uploading audio library. So I upload the audio, the hypnosis audio, then the graphics and everything. So,
Okay. So uploading on Kajabi, that's what you're familiar with.
so hindi ko pa sure if makukuha ko siya. Meron pa kasi siyang mga i-interviewin na iba. Sobrang basic ng task. Sasali lang ako sa webinar niya, sa Zoom webinar niya. And then, ako lang masisend ng link sa umpisa and sa dulo. And that's it. Anyway, it's 3:08 a.m. and I have to sleep na. Bye! Hey guys! It's Friday, finally. And it's 4:21 p.m. Medyo late na sa usual time na nag-start ako mag-work. Pero yun nga, nakakatuwa kasi for this week, nakakuha kami ng 2 bagong client and hindi kami nag-apply sa kanila. I mean, hindi pala ako yung nag-apply sa kanila. So, nakuha ko sila through referral from my other clients. So, yun yung isa sa mga tip na gusto ko ibigay sa inyo. Just in case, makakuha kayo ng kahit isang client lang. Like, gawin nyo yung best ninyo para magkaroon kayo ng good, healthy working relationship. Kasi kapag lumipas na yung panahon, sila mismo yung magre-recommend sa'yo sa mga friends nila. So, in this case, 2 client ko yung nag-recommend sa akin sa friends nila. Yung isa, ako mismo yung nagsabi sa kanya na meron pa akong extra hours, baka meron kang friend na naghahanap. So, ito yung exact message na sinabi ko. So, kung meron kayong client and kailangan nyo pa ng extra side hustles, baka pwede nyo magamit yung text na to sa kanila. But make sure meron kayong good working relationship with them. So, sa isa ko namang client, ito yung sabi niya sa akin. So, siya mismo yung nag-ask if meron pa akong extra hours or naghahanap pa ba ako ng ibang client. So, yan. Ang kagandahan lang sa work ko, kahit medyo maraming client, is karamihan sa kanila, super part-time. What do I mean? Like 5 hours per week, 10 hours per week. So, maganda siya. More than the rate, more than the money, tuwang-tuwa ako kasi ang dami ko nang naging clients. And ang ibig sabihin lang nun, connections. Yun, kagaya sa client ko nun, na ako mismo nakapag-ask sa kanya if meron siyang friends na naghahanap ng VA. Diba? That's connection. Pero yun nga, hindi siya nakukuha ng overnight lang. Kailangan mo siyang paghirapan and yun, mag-build ng good working relationship with them.
Today we're here in Samchok. So, ang laki-laki pala ng Gangwon, guys. Kasama
Hi,
nito
ate!
ni Island.
So, habang nag-work ako, pinapanood ko si wala lang. Ang maganda lang na manood ng ganito kasi yung vlog niya, marami siyang salita. And kahit di ko kailangang manood, naiintindihan ko yung nangyayari. Kasi nagkasalita siya. And ang ganda din ng vlog niya.
I've learned that there's a
Ayan.
chance to change.
Yeah, perfect.
Nasaan tayo, Abby?
That I'm the potter.
Hi guys, dito kami sa Hill House.
Okay. Hi guys! Nandito kami sa Hill House Laid Back Dining.
Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak.
And yesterday, nagkaroon kami ng short video call ng client ko for almost 2 years. And nag-decide sila na i-let go na nila ako. Pero ang good news doon, meron ng kapalit. And here's the situation. So, nung nakaraan, meron silang hinire, mga experts sa LinkedIn. And recently lang din, nagkakaroon kami ng problem sa LinkedIn ng client ko. So, I'm not sure kung ano na pag-usapan nila, pero ang pinaka-main point, inask nung mga ka-work ko if pwede nila akong kunin sa company nila. And doon ako mag-work sa kanila. Same nang ginagawa, it's just that mag-handle ako ng iba't ibang client. And yung client ko na nilet go ako kahapon, mag-work pa rin ako sa kanya, pero hindi ko na siya client talaga. Client na siya ng client ko.
No, yeah, good face to the name for sure. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm actually vlogging right now. I'm filming for my YouTube channel. A day in the life of a
YouTube channel.
VA. Yeah, I'm working on it. Do you want to say hi?
Yeah, I'd love
Okay.
to.
Here's my vlog. Can you say hi?
Hello, hello to the floor. It's
Okay.
super early for him, so I have a feeling he's gonna sleep through it. So I'm gonna just. Essentially, we would love to have you enter the WhatsApp group and take over aging duties, but also the scheduling duties. Amazing. Thank you so much,
Thank
Abby.
you so
So excited
much.
to. Take care. Bye bye.